All right, guys. My name is Nestor Duran. I go in different social media platforms with through the name Aviators 777. Today I'm here, Memphis International Airport parking lot. I'm on the top floor of this parking lot. This is my first time here, even though I work here in Memphis International Airport. The reason I'm here is because I'm here to track a 777, a FedEx 777 that is coming from Seattle. What I gathered, the information from NJ, if you guys, a lot of you guys know NJ, so NJ Photography on social media, on Facebook, on the Florida Aviation Photography, gave me the information. Apparently there's a FedEx pilot that is flying on his last flight. It's a retirement flight, and he's coming from Seattle. So there was somebody, there was a follower from the Florida Aviation Photography Facebook page that kind of requested if there's anybody in Memphis that can take pictures on the landing. NJ's on the other side of the airport. He's be taking pictures, and I'm here on the terminal right next to the tower. It's my first time, so I don't know if I'm gonna get kicked out of here, when I come out with my camera. So I'm gonna try to get the landing through video. There's a little Florida Aviation Facebook page connection to this, even though this doesn't relate to Florida Aviation. But given the fact that somebody from the group has a connection with this pilot, I think it's her dad, so let's make it a Florida Aviation connection. So we'll see if I get lucky, and if I could get the 777 on approach. If you guys could see, I gotta climb. This is what we have here. I gotta climb all this right here. I gotta climb it, and hopefully I be able to see the landing without being kicked out. So we'll see if it works out. I got my truck here, and I'm gonna climb there. The airplane is probably in the next 10 minutes, so we'll see.
Track 1060, give up departure radar contact, coming in 5000, clear to enter. Blue Streak 5548, 7 out, visual 18 left.
Blue Streak 5548, Memphis Tower, wind 220 at 14, gust 18, runway 18 left, clear to land.
18 left, clear to land, Blue Streak 5548. West end of the northeast squad.
FedEx 817, heavy Memphis Tower, wind 220 at 14, gust 18, runway 18 right, cleared to land, caution wake turbulence, heavy Boeing 777 touching down.
FedEx 817.
Air 2, Memphis Tower, change to my frequency, 119.7, and in the meantime, ident.
That's a 6688 Yankee Memphis Bridge. Good afternoon. The Memphis altimeter 3019.
FedEx 637, thank you.
FedEx 637, heavy ground point 9er.
Ground point 9, FedEx 637.
Air 2, Memphis Tower, you on frequency.
126.7, FedEx 406. Okay. 09, 19er with the flash, request enter the northeast quad.
Air 2, radar contact 6 miles north of the field, cleared in flash level airspace, proceed on course to the northeast quadrant.
FedEx 641 heavy, fly heading 110, descend and maintain 6000.
110 down to 6000, FedEx 641 heavy.
Skyline 5 Tango Tango, contact approach 12518.
125.8, Pop Tango Tango.
SkyWest 3912, contact departure, good day.
Skyline 405 Tango Tango, level 5,500.
405 Tango Tango, Memphis approach, altimeter 3019.
3019, Pop Tango Tango.
126.7.
Alright, reaching 6,000, reduced speed to 210, 126.7, FedEx 849, take care.
Yeah.
912.
FedEx 402, heavy, we're leveling 106,000. And I said stop.
FedEx 402, heavy Memphis approach, good afternoon, expect runway 18 right.
All right, guys, mission accomplished. I got the 777. I'm landing. It was perfect. So far, I didn't have anybody coming here from the Memphis Police or the Memphis Airport Authority to bother me. As of right now, I'm done with it. I got a 5.7, FedEx 5.7, and I got a couple, I think it was a couple 6.7s. The main reason that I was here for the 777, so I got the landing perfectly. I think that would be a cool story. It was a good day. I got the 777, so perfect timing. So the next time, guys,